Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. I hope you all are doing well and will be great in your lives. Welcome to my YouTube channel English with AR Comrade. In this video, I am going to talk a bit on degrees of adjective. If you want to know about adjective and its 12 kinds, I have already made video in detail. The link is in the description. Watch that video as well. Inshallah it will help you out. Degrees of adjective. We have following 3 degrees of adjective. The first one, positive degree, comparative degree, and the last one is superlative degree. Positive degree of adjective. An adjective is said to be in positive degree when it indicates simple quality without any comparison. In this degree, there is no comparison. That is why it's also called basic degree, absolute degree, and non-compare degree. Its examples are, this flower is beautiful. Now, flower is what? Flower is noun and beautiful is its quality. Joseph is the tall boy. Boy is a noun and tall is his quality. He's a smart boy. Smart is what? Smart is quality. It's also called adjective. And boy is what? Boy is noun. But remember these points in positive degree. When the positive is a word of one syllable that ends in vowel plus consonant, we double the ending consonant and then add er and est. Let's understand it by example, like red. Now red is what? Red is color. In red, is what? Is vowel and d is consonant. So how to make its comparative degree? Redder, reddest. Now redder, R-E-double-D-E-R. It became what? It became, means we have doubled the consonant, double D. And reddest, R-E-double-D-E-S-T, reddest it became. And the second point in positive degree that should be remembered, that is, when the positive ends in E, we add only R and ST to the adjective. For example, large. Now large is what? Large is a positive degree. So how to make its comparative degree? Larger, and its superlative degree largest. And its third point is when the positive ends in consonant plus Y, we drop the Y and add IER and IEST. Let's understand it by example, like lucky. Lucky is what now? Positive degree. There is Y at the end. So if we want to make its comparative degree and superlative degree, in comparative degree we have to remove Y, we have to use IER, luckier, and in superlative degree, luckiest, luckiest. So I hope you have understood positive degree. And its second type is comparative degree. The degree of adjective that is formed with 2 syllables ending by ER or more is termed as comparative degree of adjective. For example, it is used while comparing 2 things with the word than. Means in this degree we use the word than as well to compare something with another one. My room is bigger than yours. Means 2 things are compared, 2 rooms are compared by the help of than. Red rose is more attractive than pink one. 2 roses are compared, means red and pink one, by the help of more. I am more interested in poetry than music. The same 2 things are compared, poetry and music. And the last one is superlative degree. The degree of adjective that is used to describe a thing at the highest or lowest quality is termed as superlative degree, formed by adding most or est in the adjective. Means these all are formed by the help of most and est in the adjective. For example, used in a sentence where a subject is being compared to the group of objects. Means it is compared with the group of the objects. For example, he is the tallest boy of his class. Means he is compared, he is the tallest, means the boy who is in the class is the tallest boy in the class. Mount Everest is the highest mountain in the world. We are talking about mountain, which is the highest. So it is called what? It is superlative degree of adjective, highest. Islamabad is the most beautiful city of Pakistan. Now here most is what? Most is superlative degree of adjective. So let's see this chart. The first one is positive degree, comparative degree, superlative degree. Like dark, darker, darkest. Brave, braver, bravest. Sweet, sweeter, sweetest. Now there is like sweet, this is positive. ER we have added, that is comparative degree. And then superlative degree, EST we have added. Slow, slower, slowest. And tall, taller, tallest. Long, longer, longest. Pretty, prettier, prettiest. Now, at the positive degree, I have discussed one point with you. When there is Y in positive degree, then we have, before Y there is consonant. Now in pretty, there is double T. The double T is what? Consonant. And Y is what? Y is also consonant. So we remove Y, then we use its comparative degree with IER, prettier, and superlative degree will be what? Prettiest. So I hope you have enjoyed today's lesson, and if still you people have any query regarding this topic, degrees of adjective, you can freely ask in comment section. Thanks for watching this video. Share with your friends as well, and do subscribe channel if you have liked this video. See you in the next topic. Allah Hafiz. Take care of yourself.